Suhina, and today I'm making this video in collaboration with Foxy. So if you're a makeup, beauty, influencer or an addict, you should go and download the app. And so in this video I'll be talking about some of my very favorite hairstyles, which are pretty easy and you can do it in less than 15 seconds. And this is what I do to my hair before I go to my college or anywhere. Like it's a very easy thing to do. And yeah, so let's see. So firstly, for this you'll be needing nothing fancy. You'll be just needing your clip, a small tiny clip, and your brush. So I have my ponytail well done. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll just brush my hair properly because I have curly hair, as you can see, and it gets tangled very easily. So I brushed my hair, and if you can see, I took the section, the front section, and this, if you just notice this hand, and this is what it would look like, and then I would turn it, right? And I would turn it and then give it a push. So once I do that, this gives my hair the additional bounce, and it also helps in keeping the puff for a longer time, and there is less chances for it to so that's why I twist it and then place my clip. One is this is a very simple puff, and apart from this I just take the same thing and start rolling from the side. Yeah, rolling from the side, and then put a clip over here. So as you can see, so you get a side bump over here, which is also nice. So sometimes when I wear those floral dresses, I try to make this kind of hairstyle. So this gives an additional bump also, and if I want, I can attach flowers and all of that. It looks really cute. So this is the second one, and this is nothing fancy. The same puff which you made, just stick it to your left or right, whichever section you want. You just roll it and then put a clip. So this is the other one, and my very favorite. See, it's still there. You can see. Yeah, this is what it was. So my very favorite is I don't know what to call this, the monk look. I do not know the exact term for it, and this was trending few years back, if I'm not sure, and I still do it, and I absolutely enjoy doing it. So firstly, I take a very small section, very thin section rather, this, and then put a rubber band, hairband on it, and then if you can see, this is the thing that I do. So I absolutely love this thing which I do in my hair, and it is pretty cool, and you can do a boho look with it, and also makes you look cute. So yeah, these are my 3 favorite hairstyles, and I pretty much like to keep my hair open. So if I keep my hair open, these are the things which I do. So I hope you like the video and try these looks, and if you do it, do let me know. Bye.